Hello everyone, I'm doing tutorial how to make a comic in Gemini. The previous video is creating comic in ChatGPT in Indonesia, but I will create it in Gemini in this video so we can compare what if the result in the Gemini and in ChatGPT, which one is the best, which one is very consistent. Okay, in Gemini, I'm using a project, a game. Yeah, in ChatGPT we use project, and in Gemini we use gem like this. So I have created a gem like this, AI CG, AI comic generator. Now like this. Now in here principle, the work principle is same like ChatGPT. We just chat with the gem, hello, and the gem will created the result, the answer, which is the comic genre, which we can use. Okay, in here, let's go to the science fiction or maybe comedy. Nine, yeah. Just pick what genre comic you want to use, and the next step is finding our proper art style. And here we can choose many of style. You can experiment that in one of the type. Let's try the webtoon semi anime in 21. You can choose another art style, please. It's proper for kids or for adults or teenagers. For adults, it will be webtoon, and for the children, it's moe or chibi. Okay, what is the title or the theme? Nah, we can create it. We can create a story from scratch, or maybe a story about uh, something. Yeah, folklore. Let's find it in another Gemini. Find story folklore from Russian. Okay, from Russia. Okay, Falisa the Beautiful, The Quest to Baba Yaga, The Trial. Okay, this is comedy. So maybe the folklore will be in comedy, but let's experiment with that. Okay, let's go to Fasila the Beautiful. Now in here we can change the fast type into the pro and send. Nah, okay. This is the story of Vasilisa the Beautiful, but in comedy genre. Okay. The next step is how many characters that we want to create. Okay, create 5 characters. Just created 5 for maybe 10 character, but I'm not guarantee if the character will be consistent because AI still has a limitation for creating many of character. Even 5 or 4 character, the AI still cannot differ from one to another. Okay, this is the character. Vasilisa, the cloth, the magic doll, the Lady Antonia, okay, the Glavira. Uh, I never read about this story, but let's experiment with a random story that maybe uh, the AI in here, we want to test that uh, the result is accurate or not. Okay, let's go to page one. Page one prompt, just type next or type page one. I'm oftenly use next for the answer. Okay, this is the refining the output, and we got the the first page, it's about character reference loop. Yeah. So the character will be created first. So the next page will be a reference to the character that we created before. The next is page 2. Just type next or page 2. The prompt in page 2 will be differ from the page 1 in here because page 1 just a master reference character. Okay, in here we get the aspect ratio and the page of the comics is has been created in here. In page 1, we did not have the prompt to create the comic before. Okay, we have the prompt and let's go to make the comic. Okay, in here I'm using Indonesian language, so find the image menu in here and the fast type change into the pro type. Let's copy the character reference prompt and paste in here and send it. Okay, as you know, the Gemini Nano Banana has been evolved into various type of image that which you has seen in the previous screen in here. Now you can make an experiment also in that type, but I'm not using that very often. So I'm just paste the prompt in the output in here and save that and send that into the Gemini image from Nano Banana. Okay, we have the character Vasilisa, the magic doll. Okay, and Baba Yaga. Let's go to the page 2, which our comic book is created. Now, let's paste it. And here I'm still in Indonesia, but you can change it into the English or Russian language in this prompt. But let's create that and wait for the result. Is it working or not? Okay, this is the next page and wow, yeah, the character is created in the comic and you can see it's disassembled with the character reference. Nah, it's still Indonesia, but you can modify it in here. Okay, let's change the language. Change the language. Change the dialogue entirely in English. Entirely English. Okay. Or Russian or maybe another language you like. English. Okay, and next. Okay, let's find it if the dialogue has been changed into English or not. Okay. Got it? I have switched the language for English for all the comic dialogue moving forwards. Okay. Now, let's slide. Okay, the dialogue is in English. This is page 3. How about page 1? We can change it later or you can change it directly. But in this video, let's create the next page and see if the dialogue has been changed into English. Okay. Role professional comic artist, aspect ratio, and another thing is the system which has been built and it's creating the prompt that we can use to create the comic directly. Okay, let's see the result, and the page 2 is okay, it's done. Now it's in English, but once again this story will be in comedy, so it will be not resemble with the original story from Russian. But we can see, oh, the character is still consistent, the doll, the character in here. Nah, that's what we do if we want to create comic in Gemini. So everyone, if we want to create a comic in AI, it's very easy, but still need human to steer which story will be created to AI. Thank you for your attention and see you in next my video. Goodbye.